Morning, it's Friday, January 22nd. Yeah, January 22nd, 2010. It's a little after 7:30. Had a swimming workout this morning at 5:30. Ordinarily, that'd be enough. In fact, ordinarily I probably would have gone back to bed for a little while, but it's been raining all week here, and I'm curious to see what the water situation's like here in Mission Trails Regional Park. I actually haven't run since 3 weeks ago today, on January 1st, because my hip's been kind of bugging me, but thought I'd give it a try today. So let's go see what the water's like in the park. Alright, this is Gate 9, place we usually cross to get out into the trails. Looks like a fair amount of water down there, maybe shin to knee deep. You can see where it's piled up on the wires there. Not too bad. We missed the peak, obviously. Yeah, it hasn't rained since last night. Let's go over by the dam, see how that looks. Gonna have to walk up this hill. Hip skimpy. Yeah. Alright, here's the dam. Alright, I'm walking already. Hip's not cooperating today, but at least we can get out here and see what's going on. Alright, here's another way over the river. You saw the water at the Gate 9 crossing. This is a bridge downstream from the dam a little bit. Yeah, we've seen the water a lot higher than this. In fact, one time when you came down off this ramp here, you were in the water. Yeah, it's kind of a letdown. Yeah, a little bit of water here. We'll go see how the stream's running and go up in the canyon, see if the waterfalls are working. Wow, right here you can get a real good indication of how high the water was by the line of debris there. See that? So this whole trail that I'm walking on was covered and several feet up the bank from that. We missed the peak. Hasn't really rained since last night. In fact, the sun's threatening to come out now. Man, it takes a long time to get anywhere walking. Got to cross here and try not to fall and drop the camera. That's deeper than I thought. Graceful, huh? I gotta get across this without slipping and falling and dropping the camera. Doesn't look too deep. Hold. A lot of erosion here. Well, I'm getting back into the canyon now, finally. Don't think I could have come this way with last night's water levels. Would have had to come around on the other side. A couple of the stream crossings I took to get this far were hard enough. Man, I wonder what this looked like last night. I think ain trees down there.